is Blizzy, and this is
Ashley.
And this is
Beth.
You're not Beth. No. Who are you? Who are you? Cheerios. Who are you?
Dawn.
Dawn? You're not Dawn. Who are you?
Ashley.
Ashley? You mean Ashley? No, that's Ashley with Cheerios coming out her nose. Who are you?
Beth.
You're not Beth. You already said that, and I said you're not. Who are you?
Grandma Noni.
You're Grandma Noni? Hi, Ashley. Who are you? Does it start with Z?
No, Lowen. It's Lowen.
Does it start with a B?
It's Beth.
You're not Beth. No.
It's Lowen.
Does it start with an L?
No.
Yes, it
I'll
does.
tell you, it's Lowen.
You're Lauren Elizabeth. I know that. Don't say her last name.
I need to show you how I spell it.
I'm going to tickle Lauren. Until she says what her name is. What's your name? Okay, then. That works. What? Okay. Wait. We're going to see how Lauren makes it. What are you going to draw? A star? Wait, stop. You guys are such clowns. Oh, look. She's making a heart. Yay! Good job. Your butt? You goofy kids. You're so goofy. Okay, show me how you draw a heart. It's a giggly heart. That's a scribble. That's not a heart, that's a scribble.
Okay, I know it.
That's a scribble too.
No, it's a flower.
Oh, is it a flower?
No.
What is it?
A hoe. Okay, I'm drawing.
Okay.
Just 2 bumps.
That's a scribble! You're so silly.
It's really hard to do a scribble.
Yeah, scribbles are really hard. Okay, say see you bye. Say see you bye.
Say bye,
Cheerios. See you bye.
One time when she was 8, she pooped in the floor.
You were 8? Why, are you shrinking? You're only 4 now. Did you poop on the floor when you were 8? I peed on the floor when I was 7.
You?
Yeah. At school.
Ew.
Oh, no.
When I was 2 and I was at daycare, I didn't want to go to the bathroom, so I pooped on the floor.
Did you?
And I didn't have a diaper on.
Oh, no. You guys like poop and pee stories, huh?
You know what I love?
What do you love?
I love...
What? Pee pee poo poo? You knew you were going to say that.
Pee pee and poo
Oh, don't get cookies on the couch.
Okay. See, I got one of these. I'm gonna mix.
Wait, she's telling me a story. Stop.
Abracadabra.
Stop.
Abracadabra.
Oh my God, she's got 2 suddenly. Wow, look at all that money.
Cookies.
Ducky, ducky, duckies.
What?
I'm trying to pet the
Lauren, get the Cheerios out of your pants. Stop putting Cheerios down your pants.